at this YouTube. Been going all day. And I come home just to check my messages on YouTube, and look what I got once again on this account. Text comments you posted to YouTube have been identified as containing hate speech and have been deleted from the site. You received a warning saying blah, 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 blah. Alright, and this is today. Now, there is no vulgar comments in any text messages I put on this account. Nothing that is hate speech. Not a single thing. The only thing is I stand up against abortion, against the lies of evolution, the lies of global warming, the lies of Barack Obama, all that stuff. So, what the F, YouTube? Fix your crap. They don't even tell you what you're saying that is hate speech for the 10th time. But I know who's doing this. It's stupid. It's freaking Skankdemonious, the Trolls of Terrors, the stupid, Satanist group, Alliance of Blasphemy, Alliance of Demons, all those homosexual boys that play with, Dungeons and Dragons and stuff, and who brag about flagging our videos. I mean, that's who's doing it. They stalk me and they try to block them, and then they're just a bunch of perverts. But, it's stupid. YouTube needs to fix their crap. For one, I don't know what it is that they regarded as hate speech, but they keep false flagging my text comments. And you have to be a pretty low-life homosexual, fatherless kid to actually go through all the work of false flagging people's text comments. I mean, you have to be a pretty low-life. And I know what kind you are, and you know what kind you are, but it's stupid. But YouTube, you need to fix your crap because this is ridiculous. It ain't doing nothing, all I do is just put up another account, and so I'm gonna just make another backup account right now and start putting all my videos on it. And as soon as they false flag this one down, I'll just turn on the next one like I did this one. And all my friends come instantly back. It isn't like you could stop me from speaking the truth. But you just make yourself look pathetic. Skankdemonious and Alliance of Blasphemy, Alliance of Demons, Trolls of Terror, and all the other homosexuals on YouTube that feel the need to stalk Christians, even though I don't even really go on your videos or even really make many videos about you guys or even post much on the subject. You guys are so pathetic that 8 months later you're still stalking me because you know I'm a superior intellect and you're jealous of me. It's pathetic. Yeah, you're just a bunch of losers. I just want to let you know that.